水节，
泼水节。
The Dai ethnic group lives in southeastern China's Yunnan province. Each year, they hold a grand festival called the Water Splashing Festival, 泼水节. People dressed in beautiful clothes sing, dance, and splash water on each other on the morning of the festival. Don't get angry if you are drenched. It represents a blessing. More water means more good luck in the coming year. If a young man receives pouches made by a girl, that means the girl has fallen in love with him. "泼水节 is regarded as the Valentine's Day for Dai ethnic group. 泼水节 has become part of the culture in Yunnan province. Nowadays, not only Dai people, but also tourists participate in this exciting carnival.
"泼水节，
泼水节。